Now, about a month ago, I got the DJI Pocket 3. It's a fantastic camera, but I certainly could not afford the Creator Combo Kit, and I got the standard unit. But I think I made the better choice because I think getting these accessories has been much better value than getting the Creator Kit, and I'm going to tell you why. So let's talk about the accessories, and the first accessory is a set of ND filters. The second accessory is the black mist filter. The third accessory is the Anker Nano power bank, and the last accessory is some HapoYear wireless microphone sets that take USB-C. So stay tuned in the video where I talk about the pricing, how much I saved, and if it was worth it. So first of all, with ND filters, you need them to get a slower shutter speed. And when you have a slower shutter speed, it does look more cinematic and just looks a little bit more pleasing to the eye. So if you buy the Creator Combo Kit, you won't get any ND filters with it. And I do believe that ND filters are the most important accessory you can get for your Pocket 3. This Skyreach set cost me £50. Now you can see here I'm showing footage from the Pocket 3 with and without an ND filter, and you might notice that it does seem a little bit better with an ND filter. So here is the black mist filter. This again is a Skyreach black mist filter, and again this does not come with the Creator Combo Kit. Like the ND filters, it just snaps on the front of your Pocket 3 and it gives it a more filmic look. It's going to be really hard to explain what it looks like, but in a moment I'm going to show you how the black mist filter changes the appearance of the footage. So the black mist filter cost me £20. So this is a wireless USB microphone set. It's the HapoYear wireless microphone set, and this costs from £20. You get with it 2 microphones, and you get with it a transmitter, and of course the case charges this up, and this all charges over USB-C. Now with the Creator Combo Kit you get the DJI microphone, and that does work wirelessly with the Pocket 3. There's no need to fit any receivers in, and it probably gives a better sound, but to be honest, probably most people aren't going to notice, and its ease of use isn't massively different from this. And with this, you get 2 microphones, so you can record 2 people at the same time. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch over to the Pocket 3, so you'll be able to see the effects of the black mist filter and using the wireless microphone. Okay, so this is the DJI Pocket 3. Just in native, it has no black mist filter on, and it's using the audio from the internal mics on the camera using all directions of audio. I'm recording at 4K 25 frames per second. So now I'm recording with the wireless microphone, and I've got it here, and the receiver is plugged into the DJI Pocket 3. And I'm going to put on this black mist filter so we can see what it does. So it attaches magnetically. Just going to recenter it. So we can see over here we get much better blooming, and over here we get much better blooming, and here as well. Just gives it a nice bloom feel, you can see. So yeah, that is the effect of the black mist filter just inside, and I think it does give a nice pleasing image. And the last accessory that I got is the Anker Nano Power. What this is going to do, this is going to just fit in the bottom of the Pocket 3, and it's going to charge it up. And I don't think it makes the Pocket 3 particularly bulky, so this would replace the extra battery you get in the Creator Combo Kit, and it's just a way to keep the Pocket 3 charged as you're filming throughout the day. So you can see on the screen the cost of all those items, and those items came to £590, and you can get the Creator Combo Kit for £619 at the moment in the UK. Now you might think, oh, I might as well pay a bit more and get the proper DJI microphone and get a little tripod and a bag, but you're still not going to get the black mist filter. You're still not going to get the ND filters. So I think this is much better value to buy it this way, and it means you can buy it incrementally rather than shelling out a big lot of money all at once. Let me know your thoughts though. Do you think I'm right? Do you think I'm wrong? I'd love to know what you think. Please let me know. Thank you. Goodbye.